How do I learn beginner guitar? Well, the first thing you do is you pick a small group of chords to begin with. And you basically pick one teacher to start with. The danger of YouTube guitar lessons is that there are so many different teachers out there with slightly different methods, myself included. And then on the sidebar, there are so many lessons that you might grab your eye, and the YouTube algorithm knows your preferences. So if you're a James Bond fan and all of a sudden YouTube suddenly goes, oh, let's say Daryl, I'll make up a name here. Daryl is learning guitar. Daryl might like a guitar lesson on how to play the James Bond theme tune. And next thing you're there learning and it pops up on the side, and we've all been there. We click the lesson, we learn a small bit, then we kind of lose it and we don't finish that song. And it becomes a habit then, kind of searching for bits of songs. Now, how to learn beginner guitar successfully? You begin with only 3 to 4 chords. That's it, 3 to 4 chords. You make sure they're clear. You make sure you can change fast between them. And because you can do that, then you can take those skills and you can move into songs that use those specific chords. So for example, if you pick the chords G, C, E minor, or G, D, E minor, and C, those are all chords within the key of G. Famous songs that use them are like Wagon Wheel, The River by Bruce Springsteen, some Shawn Mendes songs. There are so many. So when you begin to think about it, you could pick those ones, work on them, get them clear, fast changes, then go into the songs. It's when you do that, that makes you a steady guitar player. It stops you trying bits of songs and not finishing any of them, and then suddenly wondering where are you exactly on guitar. So start as a beginner, learn 3 to 4 chords, get them clear, then go dipping into songs. Now, I do have a 5-day challenge. If you want to check it out, it has worked for others. It will work for you if you put in the work and do exactly as I suggest in the lessons. You'll find it listed below, or it should pop up right above now, somewhere. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.